Hello students, previously we have done the image formation of the concave mirror. Today we are starting the image formation of the convex mirror. Now, the first thing you should have the idea of the convex mirror, that when the reflecting surface is towards the outer side. जब inside होता है it is called as a concave mirror, but when the reflecting surface is towards outside it is called as a convex mirror. The other name of the convex mirror, it is called as a diverging mirror. Now the basic thing that a convex mirror is, that is always form an virtual and erect image. Always. Now we will draw the ray diagram of it. You will see that always it is forming the virtual and erect image. Okay. So first we are making as between infinity and the pole, when the object is kept between the pole. If suppose this is the focus and this is the center of curvature. Okay. So where the object it is kept, the object is kept between the pole and the infinity. Now infinity is a long distance, so suppose we are keeping the object here. Okay. So from this point, okay, from this point what will happen, the object array will come from this point. Array it is coming to the mirror, and after striking, since it is a diverge, so it is diverging. Okay, the ray it is coming, and after striking it is diverging, but it appeared to meet, since it is forming the virtual image, so it appeared to meet at the focus, and the another ray it is coming passing through the center of curvature. So the lines are striking here. You will get that the image it is forming behind the mirror between the pole and the focus. Okay, and what is the nature? It is virtual and erect. Okay, so when the object is kept between the pole and the infinity, the image it is forming behind the mirror between the pole and the focus. Okay, in the concave mirror we have studied that there were the 6 conditions. But here only 2 condition, 2 image diagram we have to study. When the object is kept between infinity and the pole, okay, when the object is kept between infinity and the pole, and the second we are studying when the object is kept at infinity. Okay, so when the object is kept at infinity, the rays will be coming from the infinity. So we draw the rays, these are coming from the infinity. After striking to the mirror, they will get diverge. After striking to the mirror, they will get diverge. Okay, and if you see that where they will be meeting, behind the mirror they will be meeting at this point. They will be meeting that point will be called as the, okay, this point they will be meeting, and that point will be called as the at the focus. So when the rays they are coming from the infinity, where they will be meeting? They will be meeting at the focus. And as you can see that a very point size image we are getting, so you can say that this is highly diminished, virtual and erect. Okay, so this is the property of the convex mirror. Whenever we are drawing the ray diagram, always the virtual and erect image will be forming. Okay, so the concave mirror always form virtual and erect image. Okay, and only the 2 conditions are there. What is the first condition? When it is kept between infinity and the pole. So when it is kept between infinity and the pole, okay, when it is kept between infinity and the pole, where the image is forming between the pole and the focus behind the mirror. Okay, when it is kept at infinity, the rays are coming at the infinity, on striking they diverge, but they appear to meet at the focus. Okay, so you have to write down the position of image at the focus behind the mirror. You can see behind the mirror the image you are getting. Okay, and we'll study about the sign convention of the concave mirror. Now if you see, when the object is kept towards left hand side, in the convex mirror we are keeping the object towards left hand side. If you see the ray diagram, the image and the focus, here also if you see, the image and the focus both are on the right hand side. Okay, so when you draw here, this is the object distance, and here if you consider this part where the image it is forming, it is known as then image distance. Okay, and if you draw the distance here, the gap between this f, this is the focus point, so the distance of the distance of the focus from the mirror, it is called as the focal length. So in the case, if you see here, u is towards the left hand side, and v and f, what is the v here? Image distance. What is the f here? It is the focus. So v and f, they are on the right hand side. So students, we have already know the convention of the concave mirror. What happened in the concave mirror? This was the condition. The object was kept here, real and inverted image you are getting, and the focus was also here. So all the three cases, u, v, f, all the things they are considered as a negative. Okay, but here in the convex mirror, if you see, the u will be considered as negative. So u will be considered as the negative, and v and f will be considered as positive because they are on the right side of the mirror. So whenever you are writing the convention, the one thing you have to note down, if you take the scale, everything which is measured from the left hand side, it will be considered as a negative. Everything when we are measuring from this here, if the image and all the things towards the right hand side, it will be considered as the positive. So here in the sign convention of the concave mirror, the u is towards this is the left side, this is the right side. So object when is kept here, it is considered as the negative. Object when the image it is forming in the right hand side, the focus is also in the right hand side, that will be considered as the positive. So u will be considered as, if you write here, u is considered as negative, and v and f will be considered as the positive. So students, you should remember that in the convex mirror, v and f will be positive and u will be considered as the negative. Okay, so in this class we have studied about image formation by convex mirror when it is kept between infinity, we don't know where the object is, so we are keeping the object here, and the pole, the image is forming between the focus and the pole. And what is the nature? It is diminished, virtual and erect. When the rays are coming from infinity, first they are coming from, if you write the proper arrow, they are coming from the infinity, and after striking to this part they will diverge. Okay, but they appear to meet at the focus, so they will be meeting at the focus. You can say the point size image you are getting, so it is considered as an highly diminished, virtual and erect image. Okay, and the last you have to study about the sign convention. Sign convention, the object which is kept towards the left hand side, like in the concave mirror, convex mirror, the object is kept here, the image is forming behind the mirror. So v and f, they are towards the right hand side, so it is considered as positive, but the u, it is considered towards it is kept on the left hand side, so it is considered as negative.